Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Keep application on your device. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Google Keep application on your device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Google Keep and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. Now, to update your application, you can simply tap on Update option to update the application. But as you can see, there's no update available in my case, so I won't be able to do so. If the updates are available in your case, simply tap on Update option to update the application, and that is how you'll be able to update Google Keep application on your device quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.